Hi everyone, this is an emergency video because I've done something silly that I didn't anticipate would create a problem, but it did. Some of you have just started your guided activity and you found as a surprise that all of the answers were filled out. And the reason is that I actually went through the guided activity on our live session today, and I used my account to fill out the answers, and it percolated to everyone who opened up the assignment for the first time after that. So here's what you're going to do to be able to fix this. If you go to your grad stats map when you log in, let me actually do that. Now, if you're logged out from the thing, you can log in with your account. And I'm logging in with my test account, and you just log in with your regular account. You will see, if you go to graduate statistics map, the 3 labs that you have. And then you will see here, view derived project. That means you've already uploaded the project to your computer, and it's now, it has all the updates that were done before you uploaded. So what you need to do is to click here and delete. So you know, our studio will forget you've seen it. And then if you go back to graduate statistics, you can reopen the lab and it will have a new document there called Guided Activity Lab 3 New. Please use that one because that one will not contain all the responses. All right? Okay, see you soon. Bye. I apologize for that, by the way.